my darling, no. Dandelion, into the wind you go. Won't you let my darling know that I'm in a field of dandelion?